extreme beauty factor. Gonna catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want.
Hello everyone, this is Extreme Beauty Factor here, back with another video. Okay, y'all. Listen, I'm back with another video. Y'all know what time it is. It is filming time. It's 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 filming time. Hey, hey, hey. It's filming time. Alright guys, I'm back. And my new subscribers, welcome. And my oldie but goodies, y'all, thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for rocking with me, y'all. Guys, I am back with another video. Of course, y'all know what day it is. It is Sunday. That's when I have time to film. I'm gonna try to squeeze in some more days, but right now Sundays is the good day that I can film, because the rest of my week I am very busy. I got some new stuff that something great is happening in my life, and I will share it soon, and I hope y'all guys support me in it. But Juvia'S place to get this look, and it's the Warriors by Juvia'S. Yeah, the Warriors by Juvia'S. Okay guys, and that's pretty and the rest of the stuff you'll see in the video, so I'm just not trying to make this intro lengthy.
100 years ago. Life was easy then, or is it just the way the mind works? We look so bold, like the winners of the league. Don't you know we had it all those summer days? I wonder where you are and if life is good to you. Have you kept your copy from the photo booth that day? Time is a thief, it works fast when you look away. What I'd give to go back there, those summer days. The smell of rain on the pavement brings me to that afternoon. The way you laughed in the pouring rain. Time is a thief.
Hey everyone, everything that I use will be in the description box below. This is an older video that I found in the vault, so I just want to put it out for y'all guys. I hope you enjoy. All right, guys.
It was you and me. Don't you know we had it all those summer days? Those summer days.
Lately, my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. No, no, no. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with
And y'all, when there's an event, I got some content. And I see y'all what? In another video. Love you guys.
all the second chances, nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top.